पोरवा आय लिगात खेळिल्ले चडशे प्लेयर दुसऱ्या क्लबांत गेल्ल्यान चर्चिल ब्रदर्सान अंदूचे सिजना खातीर नवी टीम उबारल्या. सध्या कावेलोसी बीचार कोच आल्फ्रेड फर्नांडिसाच्या मार्गदर्शना खाला चर्चिल ब्रदर्स टीम तयारी करता.
It's most of the players who played for us in the I-League last year have been absorbed by the franchises and some have signed for other clubs. So we have to start the building process again. So we have shortlisted most of new players from outside the state also, some good youngsters plus local players. So the team composition will be somewhat more of the Goan flavor, and we are looking out for some exciting matches.
Carry karo, Omkar. That's it. Good one. Hey, Manoj. No baby practice. Hard shoot. Let them play.
Yes, we have high expectation this year. Being the boys, being experienced, some of the experience and some new youngsters coming in the line, and it is a good platform for the most of the boys to perform in this Pro League, and from there we will gauge their performance. Based on the performance, they will be selected for the I-League, and it is a good opportunity for the boys to let their performance count in the Pro League, and with little bit of experience they are ready for the I-League, which is the topmost league with the best of players, the best of teams. So it is a godsend opportunity playing in the professional league and impressing and getting in the I-League.
नॅशनल असोसिएशन फॉर ब्लायंडाक बरोबर घेवन FC गोवान दृष्टिहीना खातीर फुटबॉल गेम दवरिल्ली. इंडियन ब्लायंड फुटबॉल फेडरेशनानूय तांकां तेंको दिला. इव्हेंट मडगांवां चौगुले स्पोर्ट्स सेंटरांत जालो. गेमींत केरळा, बेंगळुरू आनी शिलाँगांतल्या प्लेयरांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो.
It has been an awareness program by the Indian Blind Football Federation, and this is the first time it's being organized in Goa, and it's a very nice step taken by these organizers and associated with the National Blind Association of Goa with Mr. Rosando and his team. And as far as I am aware, is that this federation is going to start the first academy in Cochin from the 11th to the 17th of this month.
There are 5 SI, 4 are totally blind, and the goalkeeper is a sighted person. They also have one support person for the team who stands behind the goal post, who informs the other side team where to shoot. In fact, it tells you the exact location of the goalkeeper, so the player knows where to shoot, and it's so interesting. We have already seen 20 minutes play. It's interesting, and we are very happy that the blind can play football like anybody else.
Obviously, it is a different experience for me taking a penalty blindfolded and taking normal penalty. When you take normal penalty, you can see the goal and you can take a penalty. But when you are blindfolded, I think it's really difficult because you cannot see anything, and it's really onto the imagination. Like you have to just imagine and just take a penalty.
केरळच्या 11 वेगवेगळ्या संस्थांनी गोंयांत ओणम मोठ्या उमेदीन मनयलो. 70,000 वयर मल्याळी गोंयांत स्थायीक आसात. केरळांत कापणीचो सीझन सुरू जातना हो मोठो उत्सव. 18 तरेचे वेगवेगळे जिन्सांची थाळी सद्या ओणमाचें खाशेलेपण. लोक पायसमाक वर्सभर रावतात. फुलांच्यो रांगोळ्यो पारंपारीक कलेन हो सण फुलयतात. पळयात वास्कोचे मल्याळीचो ओणम.
So it is a Sarvajanik Onam nowadays. So Onam actually it is a unity, equality, brotherhood and oneness all. That is what is the main theme of the Onam. So that we are celebrating all together without any caste difference or creed difference or religion, nothing there. All people together sitting, dining and playing, enjoying together. That is what the Onam.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.